One of the questions we're asked pretty frequently is, how do I view just the coin shows? So today we're going to go over two pretty easy ways to view just coin shows or just coin club events or just live auctions. The first way is up here at the top in the browse section. If you click the little triangle, it opens a window and you see that our events are broken down into categories. The first category is US coin shows. If you click that, it will load just the US coin shows. Those coin shows are further broken down into subcategories, which are states. And if you look on the left-hand side, you'll see a list of all the states. So if you want to look at just the coin shows in Florida, you click the Florida link and it will load just the coin shows in Florida. Works the same for every state. The other way is without going to the browse button. If you look on the left-hand side, you'll see the categories. You can just click US coin shows there, and then once again, you'll have all the states. It works exactly the same if you want to view coin club events. You can choose which state. So you can look at North Carolina and see all the club events listed. It works the same for live auctions. You can view just the live auctions listed in Florida. I hope this helps clear up any questions anybody has.